Hey guys, this is Will with Furnerology, and I'm giving you a quick little video on the thrift store haul that we have most recently done. I'm just going to go over a few books and hard good items that we found, the prices that we bought it for, and then I'll tell you kind of what the profit margin might be on those items. And then at the end of the video, I'll let you know the total profit that we are looking to make out of the total investment that we made today. Now, if you guys have not already, please subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. We do have other videos to take a look at. I have what sells on eBay, what sells on Facebook, and all the videos alike. So let's go ahead and get on into it. The first items are some books that we picked up. We went to our local thrift store, which is the Rehome store. We have a few of those out here. And again, the items will have the prices on them. I'll let you know what I paid and what potential profit we are looking for. The first few books are going to be some Bibles. So looking at the very first one, what we have here is the New American Standard New Testament. This is the Soul Winners Edition. Not a bad looking book. And we picked that for $1.39. Take a look at the front and the back. Now what we have doesn't seem like there's much of any writing in it, which is good. But the big thing we're looking for, this is from 1972. So I'm trying to look for older Bibles. They sell pretty well for us, or brand new ones that are sealed. But again, this is an older Bible. And this particular one, we are looking for, it's going to be about $15 a profit is what I found online for this book at a $1.39 price tag. So not bad. Let's go ahead into the next one, another Bible. This particular one is the New Testament Revised Standard Edition from Nelson. And it's in decent shape, but got some yellowing on the pages. You'll see because it is older. And I believe, I don't know if we have writing in this or not, but this particular guy is from 1946. Bought for $1.79. And this particular one we're looking at, comps sell for about $10 with shipping. It's not bad. I just thought something to pick up. Again, this is a hardcover. I always usually pick up hardcovers unless it's a humongous Bible that's soft cover. I may pick them up. And again, we go on eBay, look at the sold comp listings to see what kind of profit we're looking at. But we're looking, profit-wise, we're looking about $9. It sells for a little bit more than that. But not bad for $1.79 invested. Now, this particular guy is another Bible. This is the New Testament English and Japanese version. $1.39. So this does have some writing in it. And from 1972. But the main thing, which I'll show you here, we got English on the left side and Japanese on the right. This is unique. The sales that I saw in this particular book were pretty high. So what I'm looking at in this $1.39 invested, we're looking at about $15 in profit selling this guy. Again, this is all potential profit, but if you look at sold listings, that's kind of where I base everything off of. And the next one, this is called Special Occasions in the Black Church by Benjamin Baker. There's only one comp that I saw, and it was selling for a decent amount of money. They're saying it's rare, but you know, when it comes to eBay, everybody says everything is vintage and everything is rare, so you got to take that with a grain of salt. But I didn't see many of these, and I did see some sold listings. And this particular guy, we are looking about a $25 profit off a $1.39 investment. Not bad. something to look into. Now, the last Bible is a big guy, and that is this guy right here. This is a Holy Bible, King James Version. We paid $4.99 for this particular guy, and it's a heavy one. But we take a look. I mean, there's no writing in it, which looks fantastic. It's in pretty good shape. And we will look at the year. If we can find it here, the year is actually printed at the bottom here. We're looking at 1965. And when I looked up comps on this particular guy, we were looking at a $15 profit off of $4.99 investment. So, not bad at all for a $4.99 investment. Those are the Bibles for today, but let's go ahead and look at some of the books that we got. One here, and these two guys, if you cannot already see, these are Harry Potter books. Now I paid $1.79 for each of them. My plan with the Harry Potter books is to pick up a bunch of them and sell them as a lot once I get a whole set of Harry Potter books. But these guys are first edition US. So they are not over the UK first editions, which are insane, and they would give you a lot of money. They'd be a big old profit if you found those guys. This particular one, let's see if I can find it here. So this particular one is printed in the USA. It does not actually say first edition. This is the one, the other one here should say printed in the United States. So printed, well, we have a card that just fell out, which we'll take a look at in a second, but printed in the United States, first American edition, October 1998. So again, they're not the first editions from overseas, which would get a lot of money, but they are first edition, and they are from the United States. Selling individually, they're not going to be much money, but I believe selling as a lot, just these three books, I'd get about $15 in profit by selling as a lot. And we have a 3 of Hearts for free. Another thing, guys, take a look at your books, flip through them before you sell them, because sometimes people leave money in there and they'll leave random stuff. Obviously, it looks like they were just using this as a bookmark. But cool to find stuff nonetheless, and toss it. All right, moving on to the hard goods. Go ahead and get these guys out of the way real fast. And the first hard good of the day is going to be this guy. So what we have here is a cigarette ashtray. It is German, the Göttinger Edelpilz. Sorry, not too good with my German, but this is a beautiful looking ashtray. If I think we could see, it has the markings right here. Now, anything that's red, I got 20% off on, but the original price is $4.99. The comps on this particular ashtray, we're looking at a $10 profit at the low end, selling this guy right here. It just caught my eye. It's just a beautiful ashtray. I'm not into cigarettes or smoking, but I am into nice designs, and it looks pretty cool to me. Has a little bit of that crackle look to it. The next item is this guy. This is what I call a man in a pot. He's in a sticky situation, but does have some chips. But the comps on this guy was selling for a decent amount of money. I paid $3.99 minus the 20%. And with the comps that I saw, I mean, we're looking at a profit on this guy of about $25. Give or take, this is accounting the condition that it's in with the chips. But for a $25 profit, off of $3.99. Not bad. The particular marking here is styled by Shafford Japan, but not a bad little pickup. The next item that we have here is another, looks like a German item. This is a piggy bank. As you can see the bottom, and it has a town, I believe in Germany. This particular guy we found for 99 cents minus 20%, so we paid about 79 cents for it. The comps on this particular guy, you know, with profit on this, I think we're looking at about $10, but again, off a 79 cents, 99-cent investment, that is not a bad deal to make a quick little $10. Now, moving into the very last one of the day, we're looking at this big old guy right here. So what this is a George Washington, long live the President of the United States. And this is a picture. It's in pretty good shape. Got a little chip at the bottom. Paid $4.99 minus 20%. Now, I don't know if you can notice, the writing is different. This is an old way of writing. Looks like it says Geo Woffington. And at the bottom here is President of the United States. So back in the day, doing a little bit of research on it, the script was different, where F's were kind of used and replaces S's. So something to look out for. Again, that's just what I read, and the research I did on it is that it still says George Washington. The comp that I found on this particular guy, we're looking at about a $25 profit off this $5 investment. So not bad. It is a beautiful looking piece. Free trade and sailor rights. So something to look out for. But again, guys, this is Will with Furnerology. This is our haul for today at our thrift store. More videos to come. Please subscribe. Please like or dislike, whatever you want to do there. But leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we will go ahead and bring you more videos like this to come. Again, you guys have a good week, and I will see you on the next one.